My experience with Mingdaln has been nothing short of phenomenal, and I am genuinely impressed by how every single part of the shopping journey, from the very first click on the homepage to the moment my order arrived, reflected such outstanding care, quality, and attention to detail that it felt more like a premium boutique experience than a typical online purchase. The website itself immediately sets a high standard with its beautifully clean layout, smooth navigation, and intuitive structure that makes browsing a total pleasure instead of a chore. Every product page is thoughtfully designed with crisp images, accurate descriptions, and clear, informative details that give customers a deep sense of trust and transparency, eliminating all the guesswork and uncertainty that often come with online shopping. As I explored the site, I repeatedly noticed how carefully curated everything seemed. Nothing felt random, rushed, or poorly presented. Instead, it gave the impression of a brand that truly values quality and customer satisfaction above all else. Once I placed my order, the efficiency of the process was remarkable. I received timely updates, fast confirmation, and clear shipping information that made me feel consistently informed and reassured throughout the entire timeline. When my package finally arrived, it was obvious that immense thought had gone into the packing process. Everything was neatly arranged, securely protected, and presented in a way that made the unboxing experience feel surprisingly special. And then, the products themselves absolutely blew me away. They were even better in person than I imagined. The craftsmanship, textures, durability, and overall feel were all superior, instantly giving me confidence that these items were built to last and truly worth the purchase. It's rare to see such a perfect match between online descriptions and real-life quality, but Mingdaln managed to exceed expectations on every level. Beyond the products, I also had the chance to interact with their customer support team, and I was honestly amazed by the warmth, professionalism, and genuine care they demonstrated. They responded thoughtfully, patiently, and promptly, making me feel like a valued customer rather than just another order. That personal touch is something extremely rare in today's e-commerce world and speaks volumes about the brand's commitment to earning long-term trust. Overall, Mingdaln has left such a strong, positive impression on me that I can confidently say it has become one of my favorite and most reliable online destinations. The combination of premium product quality, smooth website experience, fast shipping, exceptional presentation, and truly outstanding customer service creates a shopping experience that is not just satisfying but genuinely memorable. I wholeheartedly recommend Mingdaln to anyone looking for a dependable, delightful, and top-tier online shopping experience that goes far beyond expectations and delivers something truly exceptional from beginning to end.